Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase from Amazon. Today we're going to be looking at the Casio Pro PRG-270-1CR. As with all my purchases, I get nothing for doing these videos, but I like doing these unboxings just to remember the items I've purchased over the past. And in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item, they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the packaging like, what's the quality like. Now, I've never used this watch before, so this is just going to be an unboxing. Once I figure out how to use it, maybe I'll attach some videos to show you some of the functionality of this watch. I bought this watch on Amazon. It is available on various different retailers. Actually, when I was shopping around, Academy, JCPenney, there's a lot of different sellers that had this particular model. So it looks like a couple different things. Warranty card. Looks like a quick instruction manual, and then you've got the full instruction manual. As with a lot of the ProTrek models, it comes in this, I don't know what kind of box you would say, plywood box maybe. It's like a thin wooden box, pretty cool. Let's see if I can give you a glimpse of this. This is a solar powered watch. An ABC watch, altimeter, barometer, and compass. I'm not sure how well you're going to be able to see that. And if you've watched my videos in the past, I've tried various different smartwatches. I've had an Apple Watch, had a couple different Garmin watches, and I always go back to just these basic Casio watches. To me, there's nothing better than a watch that you don't have to worry about charging, doesn't connect to your cell phone, nothing like that. So let me get this open. Take a look at it. Wow, it has a keeper on the strap. So that's why I was having a little bit of trouble getting it off. The one thing I don't like about Casio watches that I wish they would change is, to me, the buckle is rather wide. I tend to catch the buckle on a lot of things. I wish they would make a thinner buckle. I've got a Mudman G-Shock, and the buckle on it is nice and small versus these ProTreks, but you've got standalone buttons for the compass feature. Go ahead and press that for you. Your barometer. And your altimeter. And then you've got a mode button down here at the bottom left to take you through your various modes. Works pretty similar to the other ProTrek models. That's how I know that. They all pretty much have the three standalone buttons over here, and then they usually have a mode button to take you to the non-ABC functions. Your sensor is on the left-hand side of the watch. And I'll give you a glimpse of the case back. Hopefully you can see that okay. Anyway, that is a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.